Chapter 721's Animatronics project.
Our project is an ecosystem display that can be shown at a science center. It highlights several biotic and abiotic factors of a forest ecosystem, and it demonstrates key ecosystem functions.
This is a flowchart of how our project works.
To start, the user says, "Alexa, trigger ecosystem exhibit."
We programmed Alexa so that when this phrase is said, it performs two main actions. First, it begins playing nature sounds through the speaker. Secondly, it triggers another software called IFTTT. When IFTTT receives the trigger, it calls a code function within our microcontroller and passes it a value of start as a parameter. When the photon receives this, it activates and begins executing code, which causes it to perform three main actions simultaneously. First, the photon controls this servo motor.
This blue servo motor rotates 90 degrees, which activates our limit switch sensor. That activates both of our pneumatic circuits.
Our first circuit uses control relays, DCVs, limit switches, and a cylinder to create a reciprocation circuit. The reciprocation circuit moves the fish's tail back and forth using our cabling system. This is our first of our three movements.
So our second circuit moves the turtle. Our turtle is our second motion. So we have a dummy cylinder at the bottom that extends and retracts and hits two limit switches. This uses a replication circuit to move this cylinder right here at the bottom to make the turtle move up and down.
The second thing the photon does is send an electrical signal to another microcontroller, which is used to control the bear.
Once the microcontroller receives the signal, it starts the servo motor. This is our third movement.
The bear moves through the use of an interior skeleton, which is attached to the servo motor. Lastly, the photon sends another electrical signal to a third microcontroller.
When this microcontroller shows the signal, it controls the light switch, move in a wave pattern to light up the water portion of our project.
Here's a clip of our project working all together.
Alexa, trigger ecosystem exhibit. We made many iterations to our design as we completed the project. Originally, we planned to have our 2 or 3 movements incorporated into the bear by moving its head and arm. We decided to change this because we did not want all the attention to our project on the bear and wanted to incorporate our 3D printed turtle into the project.
We faced many complications with our project. Our main problem was with our electrical system. We had the design correct, but we had it wired to the wrong place. After we found and troubleshooted our problem and fixed it, we were able to move quickly and everything worked.
The biggest problem we faced as we completed this project was with communication. Our school is operating on a hybrid schedule, so we have half the students come into school on Monday, Tuesday, and the other half on Thursday, Friday. As a result, we were unable to meet with our entire team to work on the project at one time. We had to communicate through text messages, email, and Zoom meetings to make sure everybody was on the same page as we worked on the project. Overall, this challenge enabled us to improve our leadership and communication skills, and we were able to finish the project successfully and on time.